Welcome to Pi News World, your trusted source for the latest updates, in-depth discussions, and expert insights on Pi Network and the rapidly changing world of digital currency. Our channel is dedicated to keeping you informed about key developments within the Pi ecosystem, from migration news and utility expansion to market trends and community initiatives. We strive to create a space where pioneers and newcomers alike can stay engaged, learn, and share their perspectives on the future of decentralized finance. By exploring the ongoing evolution of digital currencies, we aim to empower our audience to navigate this dynamic landscape with confidence and clarity. A central question that has sparked lively debate within the Pi community is whether holding just 10 Pi coins could make someone wealthy in the future. Some members dismiss this idea as unrealistic, pointing to the early stage of the project and the uncertainties surrounding digital assets. Others, however, remain optimistic, believing that even a small holding could become valuable if Pi Network achieves widespread adoption and utility. This ongoing discussion highlights the diverse perspectives among pioneers and underscores the significance of community belief in shaping the future of Pi. The outcome of this debate will ultimately depend on how the ecosystem evolves and whether Pi gains real-world traction. Pi Network began with a bold vision: to create a cryptocurrency that anyone could mine using just a mobile phone, removing the barriers of expensive hardware and technical expertise. At its inception, many doubted the feasibility of mobile mining, with some predicting the project would quickly fade like others before it. However, the idea resonated with people from all walks of life, leading to rapid global adoption. Over time, a diverse and passionate community formed, united by the belief in a more inclusive digital economy. Despite early skepticism, Pi Network has grown into one of the largest crypto communities worldwide, demonstrating the power of accessibility and collective participation. Pi Network stands out in the world of digital currencies due to its exceptional accessibility. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that often require expensive hardware or technical expertise, Pi allowed anyone with a smartphone to participate. This inclusive approach attracted students, workers, business owners, and families from all corners of the globe. People from different countries and backgrounds became pioneers, united by the vision of building a more inclusive digital economy. As a result, Pi Network rapidly grew into one of the largest and most diverse crypto communities worldwide, demonstrating the power of accessibility in driving global adoption. Pi Network's ecosystem has evolved through a series of carefully planned milestones. Early on, the project focused on testnet development to ensure the network's stability and security. The introduction of KYC verification marked a significant step, allowing users to verify their identities and participate more fully in the ecosystem. Mainnet migration followed, enabling users to transfer their balances to the live network. Throughout these phases, developer involvement has steadily increased, with more applications and services being built to expand the utility of the Pi ecosystem. Digital currencies often gain value through widespread trust, adoption, and practical utility within their ecosystems. Bitcoin, for example, was initially met with skepticism, but as more people began using it, building infrastructure around it, and recognizing its potential, its value grew significantly over time. Pi supporters see a similar path for their network, emphasizing not just speculation, but the importance of real-world applications and community participation. They believe that as more users engage in transactions, build apps, and use Pi for everyday purposes, demand for the currency could rise. This combination of utility, growing adoption, and a strong global community forms the foundation of their optimism about Pi's future value. Pi Network places a strong emphasis on utility and active participation within its ecosystem. The project aims to move beyond mere speculation by encouraging the development of real-world applications, such as marketplaces and peer-to-peer payment systems. By fostering a community-driven economy, Pi Network seeks to create tangible value for its users, making the token useful in everyday transactions. This approach is designed to ensure long-term sustainability and widespread adoption, as the strength of the network grows with each new application and engaged participant. Pi Network's global community is one of its greatest strengths, uniting millions of pioneers from diverse backgrounds and regions. Ongoing discussions across social media platforms, forums, and online groups keep the ecosystem vibrant and responsive, allowing members to share updates, ideas, and support. Awareness and education play a crucial role in this process, as informed pioneers help spread accurate information and encourage responsible participation. As more people learn about Pi Network and its potential, the project's visibility grows, attracting new users and developers who contribute to its expansion. This collective engagement not only sustains momentum, but also lays the foundation for long-term growth and adoption. Utility is a cornerstone for the long-term success of any digital currency. Without real-world use cases, even the most promising tokens can struggle to gain lasting value or widespread adoption. Pi Network recognizes this and has made significant efforts to encourage developers to build applications within its ecosystem, ranging from marketplaces and online services to peer-to-peer payments. The vision is to create a functioning Pi-based economy where users can seamlessly exchange goods and services using Pi. By focusing on practical utility, Pi Network aims to move beyond speculation and establish itself as a valuable part of the global digital economy. Small holdings in emerging technologies are often underestimated, yet history shows their potential significance. In the early days of Bitcoin, many dismissed small amounts as inconsequential, only to see their value rise dramatically as adoption grew. This lesson resonates with Pi Network pioneers, who continue to protect and value even modest Pi balances. They understand that as the ecosystem expands and mining becomes more challenging, these small holdings could become increasingly important. The commitment to safeguarding Pi wallets reflects a belief in the long-term possibilities of the network, regardless of current market perceptions. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis is widely recognized as a visionary leader within the Pi Network community. Alongside the Pi core team, he has consistently emphasized the importance of building real utility for the network, ensuring that Pi evolves beyond mere speculation. Their approach prioritizes robust security measures and encourages active community participation, laying a strong foundation for long-term ecosystem growth. Rather than chasing rapid expansion, the team is committed to careful, responsible development, believing that sustainable progress is essential for lasting success. This dedication has earned them respect among pioneers who value patience and strategic planning in the rapidly changing world of digital currencies. As the world rapidly shifts toward digital solutions, mobile technology is playing a central role in transforming how people access and manage their finances. The rise of smartphones has made it possible for millions, even in regions with limited banking infrastructure, to participate in the digital economy. Pi Network was designed with a mobile-first approach, allowing users to mine and use cryptocurrency directly from their phones. This strategy not only makes digital currency more accessible, but also supports the broader goal of increasing financial inclusion worldwide. By lowering barriers to entry, Pi Network empowers individuals from diverse backgrounds to join and benefit from the evolving global financial landscape. As the Pi Network ecosystem continues to expand, maintaining strong security practices is more important than ever for every pioneer. Always safeguard your wallet passphrases, login credentials, and personal information, as scammers often target growing communities with fake giveaways and suspicious offers. Staying vigilant and avoiding unofficial channels can help protect your assets from potential threats. Education plays a crucial role. Understanding how the ecosystem works and keeping up with official updates ensures you make informed decisions. By remaining cautious and well-informed, pioneers can contribute to a safer and more resilient community as Pi Network evolves. Pi Network envisions a future where its digital currency is seamlessly integrated into everyday life across the globe. Businesses could accept Pi for goods and services, making international transactions faster and more accessible than ever before. This ecosystem would empower creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs to build new opportunities within a thriving digital marketplace. By focusing on utility and widespread adoption, Pi Network aims to foster a more inclusive and interconnected global economy. As the platform grows, its potential to reshape how people interact and transact continues to capture the imagination of its expanding community. Patience is a fundamental lesson in the world of cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional investments that may offer quick returns, building a robust digital ecosystem requires time, dedication, and ongoing development. Long-term commitment allows pioneers to witness the gradual growth of the network, benefit from new features, and contribute to a stronger community. By staying engaged and supporting the ecosystem through its various stages, individuals not only increase their own potential rewards, but also help lay the foundation for widespread adoption and lasting value. Ultimately, it is this collective perseverance that shapes the future success of projects like Pi Network. Responsible participation is essential for every member of the Pi Network community. Completing your KYC verification helps ensure the security and legitimacy of the ecosystem, while securing your wallet and safeguarding your passphrase protect your assets from potential threats. Staying informed through official announcements and reliable sources allows you to make well-grounded decisions and avoid misinformation. Supporting genuine utility and real applications within the Pi ecosystem contributes to its long-term growth and success. By taking these steps, you help build a safer and more robust digital economy for everyone involved. Pi Network is increasingly capturing the attention of businesses, developers, and crypto analysts worldwide. This growing external interest highlights the project's unique achievement in building one of the largest mobile-first communities in the digital currency space. By prioritizing accessibility through smartphones, Pi Network has enabled millions of people from diverse backgrounds to participate in the ecosystem. Such widespread engagement not only enhances the project's visibility, but also strengthens its potential for future adoption and utility. As more stakeholders observe and evaluate Pi Network's progress, its community-driven approach continues to set it apart in the evolving landscape of digital finance. For pioneers holding only a small amount of Pi, it's important to remember that your participation in the ecosystem carries real significance. Throughout the history of digital currencies, even modest holdings have sometimes grown in value as adoption and utility expanded. What truly matters is your belief in the project and your ongoing involvement in its development. By staying engaged, learning, and supporting the community, you contribute to the foundation of Pi Network's future. No one can predict the ultimate value of Pi, but your commitment today could play a meaningful role in shaping tomorrow's digital economy. In summary, Pi Network has made remarkable progress, building one of the largest and most engaged communities in the digital currency space. Its ongoing achievements in mainnet migration, regulatory compliance, and ecosystem expansion highlight a commitment to long-term growth. Even small holdings, such as 10 Pi coins, could become significant if the network's utility and adoption continue to rise. The future value of Pi will depend on real-world use, the scarcity created by decreasing mining rates, and the strength of its global community. Ultimately, the combination of utility, scarcity, and active participation may determine Pi Network's lasting impact in the evolving digital economy.